might be it.
That one's trash.
Dude. Alright, you think it's still trash then?
Yeah. Trash. Alright. Holy shit! That was a skipper right there. God damn!
Damn! Yee. Oh right. Shit, here it comes. Ah! Oh, I threw my arm out. Oh damn.
I think I might have found a nice rock.
Jesus.
Jesus. That's a water slapper right there. Jeez.
There's a nice butt. I really like that butt. Oh my God!
Rocks are flying from the sky!
Jesus. You say the whole
No.
3? 9. What time is this place closed?
Oh my God.
This one looks like Texas.
That's the one.
It's Jesus.
Show it to the camera.
That's it, baby. That's what we've been waiting for.
That's the golden rock right there.
All night, baby. You guys ready to skip this son of a bitch? Let's go. Jesus!
Let's get her skipping. Charge up. Let's see it. Let's see it. Come on.
Yeah.
Yep.
Gang shit. That was it, baby.
I want to watch that one skip.
This time. Oh, Jesus. Whoa! It's a
You
ravine.
can see right here, I'm on a rock. Right here is some water. Go ahead and give me a look of the water right there.
This is nice water.
See, watch. Water. This is how it acts to rocks.
Just like that.
There it goes. Sinks right in. All right.
Nice.
Let's keep on going.
Oh, Jesus, Corey. You alright?
Yep. Yep.
Yup.
I'm doing good.
This tree right here has been here for 10 years.
Yep.
Almost
Jesus.
as old
That's
as me.
amazing.
Yep.
Look at it. It's got the moss right there. Got the vines.
Now, if you see
Very
here,
nice.
If you see here, this rock
That's a rock.
right here, this one, right? This is what happens when rock hits rock. This is amazing.
It makes impact right there.
Impact.
That's what happens.
Up.
I'm not kidding either. That was not fake. We didn't pay parts out or anything. That
This
was
is all
100%
legit.
real. All legit, all right?
Yep.
All right, notice right here we have Ludlow Falls, the most popular place in Ohio.
Most kids jump from here just like
A lot of
this.
kids jump from right here for fun, just to cool off, I guess.
Ready? This is how they jump.
See, that's exactly how they do it.
That's amazing.
For hours upon hours, every day.
They just have so much fun.
I know. Let's keep on going up the river.
Good boy almost failed. God damn it.
Is that a snake? It's a snake! Grab it!
Oh, Jesus. This one more snake. Whoa, wait, time out.
Guns back around the face, boy.
Found a piece of nature. All right. Let's go. Keep walking.
Alright, this right here, the most popular rock in Ohio. Check it out. Notice the edges right there. Those were hand carved. Look.
Jesus.
Nice edges right there. See, watch. You ready?
It's amazing.
Perfect. That's absolutely perfect. Here we have Lake
It's
Oregon.
amazing. It's
Pretty
amazing.
deep, about 20 feet deep. Wouldn't want to fall in that.
Yeah, me neither.
People die in that every day. Not kidding.
He's not joking.
Alright, and
but-
here is a piece of trash. I hate scum like this that leave trash in my area. Get out of here.
Don't come to my ravine.
Fucking idiot. Dumbass.
Nasty.
God.
Tis, not good. Nice.
Here it is. The largest rock in America is right below my feet. Check it out. The largest rock.
That's amazing.
100% natural too.
You heard it here, folks. Live on Wild and Out.
It's getting kind of late. We might need to set up camp. We need some warmth. We gotta get a fire going.
Right here.
We could just take off all our clothes and snuggle.
Right here is old Mother Nature.
Right here. Old, what's her name again?
Delilah.
Delilah right here.
She's been around. Amazing.
Delilah.
Amazing.
She's been here for about, how many years now?
I'd say about 12.
12 times 10.
1200.
1,200 years right here. Right there is from the ants.
I think 12 times 10 is 120.
1200 years. Come on, don't deny my fact.
Look right there. That's a leaf. That's her last leaf.
Jesus Christ.
Oh God. We got clowns in the back now. Sorry, Delilah. Bye, Delilah. Be safe. Look out for clowns. Keep the frogs company, okay? Bye. Wait, we just passed the bridge. Never mind. We gotta climb the mountain now. Let's go. Put on your spiky shoes. Don't stop now. Keep on trucking. Woo!